did it flawlessly. They did it the best. They were the exemplars in that after the Prophet ﷺ. This is why Allah said about them, كُنْتُمْ خَيْرًا أُمَّةٍ أُخْرِجَتْ لِلنَّاسِ. They were the best ummah. They were the best. We have to say Alhamdulillah for them. We have to say Alhamdulillah for Abu Bakr, Alhamdulillah for Umar, for Uthman, Abdurrahman ibn Auf, Abu Ubaidah ibn al-Jarrah, Aisha, all of them. We have to say Alhamdulillah for them because they did their job. And because of their efforts, the deen spread. Look what it's become today. 1.5 billion people on earth who are living their legacy, who still say Muhammad Rasulullah because of the efforts they made. What about us?